The automobile modification culture is a subculture related to modifications made to improve the performance, appearance, or both of cars. This culture emerged shortly after the invention of the automobile, in the early 20th century. The roots of automobile modification culture are based on car owners' desires to personalize and make their vehicles unique. Additionally, the need to modify vehicles for better results in racing and performance-oriented events has contributed to the development of this culture. Modification culture has taken on many different forms worldwide, varying according to local tastes, legal regulations, and available technologies. For example, in the United States, the hot rod and muscle car culture gained popularity from the 1920s and 1930s with the modification of old models and performance vehicles. In Japan, the JDM, Japanese domestic market culture, focuses on the special modification of Japanese cars. This culture is also associated with social events such as drag races, drifting events, and car shows. Modified cars are often displayed at these types of events, creating a sense of community among their owners. The automobile modification culture continues to be a dynamic community that promotes creativity and personal expression. Cars are not just used for going from point A to point B, they are also carriers of personal expression, engineering marvels, and a cultural phenomenon. Today, we take you into the unique world of automobile modification culture. On this journey, we will explore the most striking transformations in the motor world, from hot rods to muscle cars to the intricacies of Japanese modifications. If you're ready, let's begin. The hot rod culture was born in the 1930s in America, with old and used cars being made faster and more showy. These unique vehicles, often produced from early models like the Ford Model T, are equipped with large engines, stylish paints, and personalized designs. Hot rods have proven themselves not only on the streets but also on racetracks as symbols of a culture of speed and performance. The hot rod culture is the art of taking old vehicles and turning them into speed machines. In this process, large and powerful engines are integrated into the vehicle, weight is reduced through lightening efforts, and speed is increased with aerodynamic improvements. Suspension systems are modified for better grip and maneuverability. In terms of appearance, each hot rod becomes a personal expression of its owner, with special paints and customized body parts. In the 1960s in America, the needs of car enthusiasts were met with a simpler formula: big engines and light bodies. Muscle cars, with their extraordinary speed and power, revolutionized the automobile world. Iconic models such as the Chevrolet Camaro, Ford Mustang, and Dodge Charger symbolize the golden age of the American automobile industry. Muscle cars are known for their large V8 engines and wide tires. Performance increases with modifications to the engine block, high-performance exhaust systems, and more efficient air intakes. The suspension system is strengthened to support the extra load of heavy engines and maximize the vehicle's acceleration capability. In terms of exterior design, aggressive lines and eye-catching details are characteristic features of muscle cars. JDM, Japanese domestic market, which has spread from Japan to the world, holds a unique place in automobile modification culture. JDM is the art of creating vehicles that combine high performance, excellent craftsmanship, and aesthetic beauty. Models like the Nissan Skyline, Toyota Supra, and Honda Civic prove the impact of JDM culture on the global automotive scene. JDM vehicles stand out not only for their appearance, but also for their excellent performance. Performance is maximized with engine enhancements, turbochargers, cooling systems, and lightweight components. The suspension becomes lower and stiffer, improving the vehicle's grip. Among the exterior modifications are aerodynamic body kits, special rims, and eye-catching vinyl wraps. Each JDM vehicle is an artwork in terms of both performance and aesthetics. Automobile modification culture is not just about metal and engines. This culture represents a lifestyle that combines creativity, community, and personal expression. From hot rods to muscle cars to the fine art of JDM, modified cars will continue to push the boundaries of engineering and aesthetic beauty, and we follow every moment of this unique journey with great curiosity. If you want to be part of this passionate community, press the pedal and enjoy this exciting world.